and we said the wrong side should always be the one facing you, the right side, this side. That should show to people. And I said, if you wear the wrong side of the cloth, if that part shows to people, it is just like wearing what you are wearing the other way around. You look funny, you look unkempt, it shows you don't understand what dressing means. But you don't want to embarrass yourself in your family that way, right? So you always want to look your best. And so, when you want to wrap, this is it. You see, I've turned it. Now the wrong side is the one wrapping around me. This side you're looking at is actually the right side, right? Okay. So as we're doing, now you know what Mr. Noche and I are doing? We are looking at this and that. What do you think we are doing? We are measuring, right? We are trying to measure with our eyes. Okay. Now, one important thing is that you always want the cloth to be lifted off the floor. So I'm doing what we call gathering.
Use your shoulders.
Use your shoulders and your arms to raise it somewhat. If it reaches a level that you are okay with, I think mine is even too short. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Then what do you do? Now look at what we are doing with our left side. You see, he's doing the same thing I'm also doing. Or I'm doing what he is doing. Okay? You know what we're doing? We're trying to see if we can get the edges to match. Does it look like match? Yes.
The left side.
The left side. Okay.
This and that should be somehow equal. Yes. Heights. So we're trying to divide the knee and chip. Left.
Okay.
I understand we can speak to each.
Yes, we can. So I think we've achieved that, right?
Yes.
And I've dropped this side, just like the other one. Now we bring this arm out. Then we gather this part of the cloth. Whilst this remains the way it is. Okay. It's lifted off the floor, right? Okay. It's a pageant one.
No, Sunday fan.
Okay.
Ever Sunday fan. What to so much not a penny BBC. And also, no 10 no, yeah, or left, not 10.
Exactly. Then you give this to that one and make sure, okay, to have it. Okay, so you see, I'm holding that in place. Now that I've done this, we can now fold this part on top of it, like that. I see that with this, because it's locked, it's done properly, I can move, it won't fall. Okay, so I can move like that. Alright? And if you want to cover that part, fine. You cover it like that.
Some people will do this.
Yes, some people will do that.
Others will also do this.
Yes.
They know why you got guy. We're sorry, I got guy can try.
They do that.
Yeah,
Okay. Like this.
I want to see me pretty hard with